Do injection molds wear out? Injection molds are a key component of the injection molding process, which is a manufacturing method used to produce a wide variety of parts and products. Injection molds are hollow cavities that are used to shape the molten material, typically plastic industry, into the desired shape of a part or product. The mold is attached to a plastic injection molding machine, which injects the molten material into the mold under high pressure. As the plastic material cools and solidifies, it takes on the shape of the mold cavity, resulting in a finished part or product. What factors will cause wear and tear on an injection mold? Like any other machine or injection mold tool life, injection molds can wear out over time, especially if they are used frequently or for long periods. The wear and tear on an injection mold can be caused by a variety of factors, including 1. The high temperatures and pressures involved in the injection molding process. 2. The abrasiveness of the molten raw material. 3. The mechanical forces that are applied to the full mold maintenance during the production process. What methods will prevent wear and tear on an injection mold? To prevent wear and tear on an injection mold, manufacturers must take steps to maintain and care for the injection mold lifespan. This can include 1. Regular cleaning and inspection of the mold. 2. Lubrication and other maintenance tasks. 3. Choose to use high-quality plastic materials for the mold, such as hardened steel. 4. Apply hard coatings, such as chrome, to help prevent wear and tear. Despite these mold maker efforts, however, injection aluminum molds will eventually wear out over time. When a plastic injection mold begins to show signs of wear, such as cracks, chips, or other mold clamps damage, it may need to be repaired or replaced. Depending on the severity of the mold damage, the repair process may be as simple as smoothing out a small crack or chip, or it may involve more extensive work, such as welding or remachining the mold. If the damage to an injection mold life is too severe to be repaired, or if the cost of repairing the mold is not feasible, the mold may need to be replaced entirely. In this case, the manufacturer will need to create a new mold, using the same techniques and materials as the original mold tool maintenance. Conclusion: overall, injection molds can wear out over time due to the high temperatures and pressures involved in the injection molding cycles process, as well as other factors. To prevent wear and tear on an injection mold, manufacturers must take steps to maintain and care for the mold, and may need to repair or replace the plastic injection mold if it becomes damaged.